Hello, my name is Matt, and I'm going to be showing you how to install Molpro and then Quantemol-EC. If you have a Quantemol-EC free trial, then rest assured Molpro also offers a free trial. First up, you will need to log into www.molpro.net. This will allow you to download your file which Molpro is stored within. This will require you to input your username and password, which will have been sent after purchasing Molpro. When you download this, you will get the file. If you put this file in your home directory, then as you open Terminal, the first thing you will see is a file with it in it. And here is that file. So in order to unzip that file, one must type gunzip and then the file. Hit enter. When the file is installed, one then will type in sudo bash then the unzipped file. This will give you the option to type in a bin directory. We recommend that you just hit enter and take the default one, and the option to write the installation directory. Again, we recommend you hit enter and use the default one. Following this, it will ask for your username and password. I will now be inputting my username and password, although for obvious reasons will not be displaying this upon the screen. Having given your Molpro username and password, it will inform you that your Molpro is successfully installed. Following this, you will need to edit your bashrc file. This can be done by using a text editor of your choice. So in my case, I'm going to be using Vi, but other popular text editors are Gedit or Nano. One will use Vi, and then they will type in the address for their bashrc. So for mine it's tilde/.bashrc. So I will be adding to my bashrc the following line, which allows Molpro to be added to the path. To then source my bashrc, I'll be typing source, and this initializes the new bashrc. And that concludes the process of installing Molpro. Now I will show you how to install Quantemol-EC. So first up, we sent you a zipped file when you purchased or when you got the free trial for this software. So if you download this file, and as before with Molpro, put it in your home directory. So as you can see, I've got one right here. So there are two folders which you should make in your home directory in order to download QEC. The first one, so in order to make a file, you type mkdir, or make directory, is QEC. It's just QEC. So type that and hit enter. The second one is entitled QEC workspace, just like that. So the next step is to move your downloaded zipped file into the QEC directory. So to do this, you just do mv, and then the name of the file, and then the QEC directory, like that. Next up, we will be entering the QEC directory. In order to unzip this file, one must type tar -xvzf and then the name of the file, and hit enter. You will now see that the executable file has been entered. In order to run QEC, one now must type // and then Quantemol-EC. This will open up the following window. Into this, one must type their username and license key, which we sent to you. So I shall do this now. Following this, I will click Check Online. And the following box will pop up saying that my credentials were verified. So I will click OK, and then click Continue. This will then ask me to read the license agreement, which I will peruse. Feel free to read this in your own time. And then I shall agree to the license agreement in order to gain access to the software, and click Continue. Finally, it will ask for a workspace directory. Now we've already set up our workspace directory as QEC workspace, so I just click on the dots, then click open and click continue. Finally, here is access to QEC. So if you have the trial version of QEC, then you will only have access to the examples and the results, whereas if you have a full version, then you should be able to click new or input geometry files. For more information on how to use QEC and more information on the tools of which it holds, see my previous video linked in the description. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope you enjoy the software.